Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. And today we have a collaboration with Vantage Malaysia. Okay, so today over here for people who are on the Vantage link, alright, we have a Vantage page. We have a link up there, and please remember to click on the link, and you will get some benefits from there, right? So alright, so over here, come back here in Forex Trading Plan 2021 November 24. Right over here, we are going to focus in our trading plan for today. What are we going to focus? First of all, as a full-time trader, we need to plan out our trade. Am I right? So the next thing to go is to filter out some of the currency pairs that we are going to focus, and from the focus pairs, we are going to find out where should we enter for a trade. All right. Okay, so let's do this planning every day. Follow me. All right. Remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and the ring of the bell so that you get my latest update whenever I go live. Right. Tonight, this Wednesday, today, we are going live again in GMT plus 8:20:00 hours, 8 p.m. Okay. All right. So tonight we are going through the live trading, all right, in the US market, and to learn some of the points that what we are going to talk about, and how are we going to define, some of the trading tricks in the market. All right. Okay. 所以今天 I'll be conducting this session in both English and Mandarin. Okay, so bear with me if you cannot understand Mandarin. Bear with me if you cannot understand English. All right, so I will come back in both languages so that you will understand best. All right. Okay, so yes. Right. So let me say hi to everybody. Bradley, I got my TP yesterday. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Huh? Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. 好，你好，你好，Bradley. All right. CK 你好，Stanley 你好。All right. And okay, that's good. That's good. All right. So Hubert, okay. You have never missed. All right. So today, I think this is my 286th video. All right. So I hope things are going good. All right. Hi, Jack. How's it going? All right. Good for me. How about you? Jack, where are you from? Would you like to share with me where are you from? All right. So if you are new to here, remember to click the subscribe button and give me a support by smashing the like button as well. All right. Thank you so much, and yes, tonight I'll be going live again. All right. So this section, let's quickly go into our MT4. All right. Can I have the MT4, please? Thank you so much. All right. 好了，那么 so remember guys, in every investment, remember that risk involved. So please think note about your lot size. Okay. So make sure things are good. All right. Okay. Right. All right. So Jack, you're from Colorado, USA. Wow, fantastic. Thank you so much. This hour, staying up late. All right, so well, get some chips in front of the PC before you fall asleep. Right, okay. Yes, right. Thank you so much for coming in, Jack. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's stay tuned, and let's go through the plan together. All right, and yes, Fab. 老师见到你真开心，我见到你也很开心。这个月我保持盈利了。哦，很好，很好，非常好，太开心了，非常好，非常好，加油，加油 ！All right. Hi, nice to see you, Phoebe from Philippines. Phoebe from Philippines and Mika, Australia. All right. Thank you so much. We are going live in different platforms. Okay. All right. So yeah, I hope the rest of you, if I missed out your message in different screen here, all right, so just give me some time, leave a comment below, I will read back and I will still reply your comment, all right? It's only 10 p.m. I see, okay, all right, so Jack, 10 p.m. in US now, huh? Okay, right, okay, so, well, I think just another 1 or 2 hours, make some profit before you sleep, huh? All right, cool, so cool, okay, let's go. What am I going to do is about Aussie CAD. All right, today I'm going to be a little bit in details. Okay, so Aussie CAD, we're going a bit slower right now. Okay, so Aussie CAD, like I say, we have been in this area, been retesting. Okay, the support level. we have a touches support level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Right, so we are still retesting the support level. So right now, if you're asking me if I were going to sell this, it's going to be a high risk for me. It looks like I only have about 28 pips to the major support here, so which is not very advisable to sell. Let's wait for the chance to really go for a buy bullish market. All right. So we have a lot of currency pairs. We don't have to stick with Aussie CAD alone. All right. So leave it alone. Sometimes in forex trading, we got to leave this alone. We got to skip. We got to hop on. You know, so just move with the market. All right. 好了，那么澳加不是欧加，澳加的话，今天呢还是回踩了这个支撑，然后呢，在这一段里面呢，现在看到的就是它呢现在来到这里啊，是尝试要突破这个支撑啊，所以呢，在这一段里面，请大家要注意一下，因为往下做空的话呢，往下做空的这个空间啊，其实是蛮小到这个最强的支撑。往往呢，到这种很强的支撑的时候呢，我都不建议大家呢，在这个时间做空哈 ，OK？ 那么能做多吗？等待啊，等待好的机会，现在暂时没有 ，OK？Alright, so let's move into English with Aussie franc over here. Right, Aussie franc, as we can see, is in the downward trend with a retracement out here, but we are still maintaining as a lower high, lower high, lower high, a lower high here, and are now moving into the support. As you can see, a lower high, lower high. That means to say a lower resistance moving towards a support, which means strength is there to break the support. Am I right? Okay, but where it has a signal to show that it's breaking the support, whereby you can see, like I say, lower resistance is tantamount to a signal of strength to break the support. However, is it a good time to enter for a trade today, to have a short selling? Let's see, current price to the support is around 36 pips. So tentatively, we are still on the resistance that we are selling this morning. All right. So over here, it has already started selling for a moment. So it has already started selling for a moment. That means to say we have missed. All right. Since we have missed, then I will advise all of you here that probably we have to wait for another resistance before we start selling again. Okay, another resistance. All right. So when we have another resistance, which means to say we need to wait for the retracement up to a level, okay, of resistance. One of the resistance I drew here is I plotted here is over quite high here. All right, so it's about 16 pips. Probably when it hits here, the chart may go for a retracement section. So the retracement section to buy. So it's not a good chance to sell as well. So tentatively, Aussie franc, I will still hang on with it, and let's wait for maybe the second half of the day or maybe tomorrow. Okay, right? So this is not really advisable. 澳瑞的话呢，现在目前呢，虽然看它做空在压力位置，早上的时候开始往下跌了，对不对？所以呢，在这一段里面呢，我们这一看的话，它现在呢，如果它回调到压力位置的话，它可能已经进入了那个回调做多的这个阶段，所以呢，在这一个阶段里面呢，很大的可能性会继续做多，所以我会等下半场或者明天 ，OK。Right, so coming back to English for Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is still in our bear market. We're having a retracement last week, and after that come back now to hit on the support, and now hitting on the resistance over here, and now we have a chance to sell. So when we have a chance to sell, let's see, can we really sell right now? Okay, tentatively, yes, the resistance hits, okay, in H4 as you can see. Over here, the resistance achieved, and now start selling. It has already started selling. Same thing, we missed the chance. So let's wait for the second half of the day or tomorrow, then we will start selling again if there's a chance. OK， 好了，那么澳日的话呢，现在目前你这样看的话，现在它呢这个是已经开始做空了，算是错过了一次了哈。OK， 算是做过了一次了。OK， 那么现在这一看的话呢，其实现在这样看啊，你的这个回调的，如果它回到压力位置的话，也就成为了这个回调单了，所以也不是 很适合做单子哈。OK， 所以在这一段里面，我倒觉得说，目前还是要跳过啦，不做它。虽然它还是在熊市，但是今天可能是一个回调日，所以暂时暂且先把它跳过吧。Alright, so Aussie Kiwi, back to English here. Aussie Kiwi, yes, as you can see, yesterday, as I mentioned, we have already started the bull running up. Okay, so today we are still on the buying side. Buying is still possible, but space is very limited over here. So limited space over here, probably there may be some retracement and then push again to break the resistance. Alternatively, if it breaks the resistance, let's wait for a retesting of the resistance become support, and it may form a new support above this level and it will start to buy again. Alright, so tentatively hang on for sellers, but buyers also hang on because you have very limited space over here, 8 pips, and you will meet some resistance there, so just hang on. Alright, okay, so just hang on with it. Okay, alright, so let's skip this. And Aussie dollar, all right, Aussie dollar, we are into the bear right now, going to break the support. Okay, so this support is very near. Okay, let's take a look. Yesterday Aussie dollar, yeah, have a good selling. Okay, and quite slow, however is moving towards breaking the support level. Okay, let's take a look at this. When you are looking at this, as you can see, a lower high, lower high, lower high, another lower resistance is forming towards the support. And finally, it breaks. Am I right? Okay, so this is a kind of sign of strength that we can pay attention to, which is good. So now, it seems like it's actually entering into a trending market. But you can see over here, yesterday, it went up, hitting our support, went up, support, and then finally today have a breakdown. So breakdown, now we are heading to the support that become a resistance. When it hits on the support that which become the resistance, the selling off signal will be coming. And when it comes, okay, take a short profit first. Okay, before you grab more. Because most likely it will still turn back and become a resistance, and testing, this will form a new resistance. Then it will start to return and meet the resistance that built up. Then it will start to short harshly. Okay, that's kind of a characteristic of the movement. Okay, which always happen, but that you can always pay attention to as well. All right. So Aussie dollar, we can pay attention to this. Okay, today to sell. Okay, I will take down later. I will do a summary to tell you which are the currency pairs that I will be focusing to sell today. All right. Okay， 所以这个澳美昨天呢，以这个你看到它有一个更低的高点，一直有这个更低的压力，一直朝着我们的支撑位置去嘛。那么终于今天突破了，这个突破这个支撑，昨天一直盘整在这一段的时候呢，这个阶段支撑呢破了，这个支撑就变成一个压力，因为现在回调上来。那么这回调上来之后呢，如果在不突破的情况下，开始回调做空的时候，那这一段里面就要开始了哈。那么这一段呢，少拿一点点数，就是短暂的盈利，因为通常来到这一段的时候，它会回调以后，在这个支撑变压力的阶段里面呢，如果呢在不突破情况下，又遇到之前的这个压力位置，它才会真正的开始往下再走一轮的熊市，好不好 ？OK。Alright, so let's move again into English with Euro Aussie. Alright, Euro Aussie is very obvious that we are moving into the bull. So buyers, stand by. You can continue to do the buying with peace of mind. But just take a look out whereby pay attention to the resistance that is actually hitting on nearby you. So what are you going to do is that when the buying signal is there, especially in the bull market, all right, in the bull market, as you can see, bull market, how can I tell it's a bull market? From the support, it move up to form a higher support and move again to a higher support. That means to say the resistance is not strong enough to move downwards. So it's continue, it will stop halfway, and the resistance area over here, it can only push this much, and support comes again. So that means to say you are in the bull market. In the bull market, whenever you're selling, you go slow and little. Okay, but if you go in the bull market, you're going for support, it will be strong and harsh. All right, so this is a concept. Over here, H4, we are meeting up with a resistance. So over here, take note about Euro Aussie. I will give you an advice that let the candle break the resistance first, retesting the resistance, which will eventually become a support, and then will move as a buy bullish market. So that is what you should be waiting for. Okay, all right. So Euro Aussie good for buying, not for selling. All right. 欧澳的话呢，现在目前是在牛市，牛市只能做多嘛，所以这一看牛市支撑在更高的位置，支撑在更高的位置一直出现，一直不断的产生。这样的话呢，在这里呢，我们要注意的是，要做多的朋友，要做多的话，必须要看到你的压力位置。你的压力位置呢，在这里呢，一开始上来，先突破，不要就马上进场，因为它很大有可能会回来回踩这个压力变支撑，再继续再往上升。所以呢，有耐心一点啊，不要怕错过，还是会回来的。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so now back to English in Euro CAD. Alright, hi Roger, nice to see you here, Roger. Okay, Roger. Okay, then over here. Okay. EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Okay. So just now we are talking about Euro Aussie. Now let's talk about EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD again. We have break the ranging over here, but it has been struggling over here again. So tentatively, by looking at it, it looks like a support. A support at a higher level now. Okay, so tentatively, resistance area is also very high up. Okay, so right now, buying is very possible than selling. Okay, so avoid selling for EuroCAD. Okay, this is quite straightforward, huh? Okay, and 在这里我们这样看欧加的话，哈，欧加呢现在在这里啊，一出国这个盘整，来到这里又开始有一点缓慢了，对不对？它来到支撑变压力的这个范围停了，有下来一阵，前几天都有下来一阵。那么呢，现在又在支撑了，有看到支撑位置出现，现在支撑位置更高了，所以目前这一看的话呢，现在这一看的话，觉得应该是要做多了，所以做空的朋友呢，尽量要避开了哈。OK。Alright, so let's move back into English with Euro Pound. Yep, after we have start selling over here and all the way down, and we have met up with a support over here. So no more selling, as I said. Okay, why is because now it's hitting on another lowest point. Okay, another lower point whereby it's actually stopping and testing for quite a while. The support is quite strong. Am I right? So now we are forming up the turning point in H4 that is a support. It seems like it's going for a buy again. So tentatively, you have a 13 pips of space to buy, but I would advise that just stay away from Euro Pound today as well. Okay, alright. 欧镑的话，今天就尽量不要做交易了哈，因为现在处在一个无人岛的这个状态哈，上去就13个点，下来又好像不够，支撑也很靠近，所以呢，干脆不要做了哈。Okay, alright. So now Euro Yen. Let's take a look at Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen. What we have done is we start selling from the bear and start from the bear zone and all the way down today. Can you see the long wick for the past few days? I was saying about this, and it has a long wick lower shadow over here, which crosses through the support. These two green line over here, the support, the bull zone, and being rejected. This kind of candle usually is a sign of rejections from the market. It's a rejections from the market that means it's not easy to have selling anymore. So tentatively, we are still looking out for a buy, correct? Okay, after that, today we have a sign of selling off from the bull. Okay, from the bull run for the past few days. And what are we going to look at is that we are still in the bear market. We are still in the bear market. It doesn't mean that with this, it will become a bull. Okay, not necessary. Today, we are still in the bear. But over here, when we are looking at this is the bear market over here, we are going to find out where is the point of retracement that we are looking out for, because it's not easy when you are actually right at the point where we actually tested the bull and it's come back. The retracement ended here. It actually hits on the bull and it started to retrace, and there will be a point where it stopped. correct? So the retracement stop here, and then in forex trading, it will go into the stage of transit. Okay, so there's a transition here from the bull from the retracement back to the prevailing bear trend. So we are still in the transition. So tentatively, euro yen, I'm going to give you a missed today because it has no sign of clear direction yet. When you are in the transition stage, you can go either way. So I will prefer to skip. OK, alright， 好吧。那么在这个欧日的话呢，欧日目前现在这样看的话，我们呢在这一段里面，看到的这个欧日是在往下跌一波，有下影线出现。它上来的时候，这个回调嘛，从这里回调结束，进入转换，可是转换的过程还是在转换，对不对？在转换过程还是转换，所以呢，它可以上也可以下，所以没有方向，所以我暂时会暂且避开哈。OK, alright, so let's move. Hi, Mamai, good afternoon to you. Right. So yes, Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Hi, Jasmine. Nice to see you here, Jasmine. Alright, so over here. Euro Kiwi, we are into the bull zone and already started for the bull run. So buying is possible for Euro Kiwi, okay. However, same thing when you are going to put in the trade to buy, okay. You are going to call or you're going to put. You have to put in some effort to understand where is the resistance. If you are buying now, then it will be a resistance over here. Then make sure it breaks again, and when it retrace back, form a new support above the resistance level, then it will be a good time to buy. Alright, so this is Euro Kiwi. So buying only, no selling. Alright. Okay, hi Flora. I look good today? Okay. Euro Kiwi 欧牛的话，今天只能做多，不能做空。做多的朋友，如果呢要做多的话，先等它突破，回调下来变成支撑，再上去，才可以变成支撑的过程，开始建立支撑就可以做多了哈。Alright, okay, Euro Dollar. Let's take a look at Euro Dollar. Alright, Euro Dollar. Yes, tentatively we are still going for a bear. We are still in the bear trend, okay, however, same thing, if we are in the bear trend, we always want to look at where is the best time to sell. Where will be the resistance level that I should look out for, am I right? So Euro Dollar, we are very near to the support level here as well. So now let's move into one of the resistance that we can see over here. Alright, so let's wait for it to hit the resistance. Without breaking the resistance, it starts to turn back to sell. Then we start to sell. Okay, all right. Of course, again, we still have to look out for where's the support level. Let's take a look. Okay, if you can't see, okay, I just shrink down the chart. Okay, yeah, the support level has no changes. Okay, right. So we still have about, let's see, about 60 pips to go. Okay, 60, about 60 pips to go. However, you still have to now. Let's take a look why we have to wait for it to hit the resistance. When it hit the resistance, it comes back. It will come back in the way over here and comes back in the way of now it's in the transition. Am I right? Now it's still in the transition. So when it moves up, it hits on the resistance. To end the retracement to back to the prevailing trend, it will be faster. Okay, for us, the system will be aqua cuts below the white line around this area. Okay, and that will be better for us to start selling, yeah, because that will be harsh enough. That will be really harsh enough to sell. Okay, right. OK， 所以这个欧美的话呢，现在暂时是在回调的过程，对不对？回调过程，这个呢要等到它回到压力位置，碰到水蓝线在上面碰到的时候，开始转下，白线也应该上来了。那么到时割下的时候呢，往下跌的可能性就很大，就比较好交易。OK， 好，所以这个欧美可以等它。Alright, so this Pound Aussie, okay, Pound Aussie. Alright, so let's see Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie over here, it has already formed up the higher support, a higher low until here, which is trying to break the resistance in H4. Okay, trying to break the resistance in H4. However, if you can see again the upper shadow, okay, it touches and it comes down. There's a good rejection from the resistance over here. So tentatively, I will say that we can still observe how it goes, because it is still not as ideal to sell because the support level is very near. Okay, it's still very near over here. We still only have about 30 over pips. But short-term profit, yes, you can short-term profit. Okay, so just work within this support level. Okay, Pound Aussie, alright。好了，棒澳的话呢，今天它要做空的机会是有的。OK， 这个是有的。那么呢，现在呢，我们这一看的话呢，这个棒澳呢，它呢在这里的话呢，要遇到你在这个里啊，遇到这里的压力的位置的时候呢，你有看到这个反击吗？这个上影线，这个上影线反击下来嘛，对不对？它反击下来。那么呢，现在呢到这里有36个点，所以呢要做空是有可能，但是呢尽量是在36个点里面做交易啊 ，Alright， 盈利也当然在36个点里面盈利啊 ，OK。Alright, so let's move back to English again in PAUCAT. PAUCAT. So in PAUCAT over here, PAUCAT is very obvious that actually PAUCAT it hits on the bull zone and now moving upwards out of the bull zone and now heading for the bullish market. So in this way, what we can see is that very straightforward, we are going for buy. So we are going for a buy. The support is actually here. It has already started now. Okay, started now. And you have one resistance over here, the support over here, which become the resistance. So probably it may turn back down to hit the support again, then it will turn up and break the resistance to go. Okay, why do I say that this will break the resistance? Because it's in the bull. Whenever the bull comes along, it will hover around or slow down in the resistance, but easy to break the resistance as well. So you must take a look what is the trend. The trend today is actually in the bull. And where is the direction going is also in the bull, then it's easy to break the resistance. Okay, looking at the trend, you also have to look at the direction at that point of time, because it may be a retracement or it may be it may be moving according to the trend for a buy. All right, so that is also something that we have to pay attention to. Okay, so that's PAUCAT for buying, not for selling. 棒家只能做多不能做空了哈，因为是在牛市又遇到支撑，现在开始了哈。虽然有压力会缓慢，但是突破的可能性较高，所以这个大家要做多的，同样突破了以后，新的支撑出现才来做单子 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so let's move on again into English. Alright, into English. Hi Riano, nice to see you here. Right, so I have to wake up very early. You have to wake up very early to attend my live session. Thank you so much. That's a very great effort. Okay, so yeah, Riano is Spanish, right? Spanish. Am I right? Okay, I can't remember. Spanish or Italian? I can't remember. I'm so sorry. Okay, let me know again. I will remember the next round. All right. Okay, so now let's go into this pound franc. Pound franc is in the bull right now. Okay, so running is very strongly on the bull side. So still buying is still buying, and support is coming very soon. Okay, so the next 4 hours, the next half, next 15 minutes, the 4 hour open with a support, buying is highly possible. So only buy for pound franc, no for selling. Okay， 棒瑞只能做多不能做空啊，这个支撑已经开始来了啊。所以呢，在这里在牛市里面支撑一来到的话呢，你在这边一往上升的话，这个真的是应该会继续再爬得更高了哈。OK, alright, so come back into pound yen. Pound yen here for the past 2 weeks because I've been waiting for it to go up, go up. Finally, it turns into my box here and break out, and it start to go into the bear market. And I've been selling, but support comes again, right? The support comes again. So the support comes again this way. It's not easy to sell, so I have to take a break. When it start to have a resistance form a resistance at the resistance level area here, I start to sell again, and it goes back again. Then I have a break, and now today it looks like resistance selling is highly possible again. All right. Okay. So yes, from yesterday we are talking about the pound yen is going to sell. It hits here. And respecting the support and comes back again. Now it's hitting on the resistance again, now coming back. So just pay attention to pound yen. I think probably if it's continue the bear selling, then it will going to break the support, and it should be selling all the way. We have a very big space to sell, huh? Okay, we have very big space to sell, so I think it's pretty good. Okay, alright. So 棒日棒日的话呢，在这里啊，棒日的话，今天可以做空了哈，终于哈，我们下来的时候支撑休息，压力下来之后休息，又有支撑就休息，现在终于又要做空了哈，现在，所以现在目前的话呢，只有在这一段呢，这里有一个支撑位置嘛，现在等它先突破支撑位置以后呢，许然线割下白线的话呢，这一段新的压力出现，我们就可以开始做单子了。OK， 棒日哈。Alright, so Pao Kiwi, alright, okay, over here, Pao Kiwi. So Pao Kiwi over here, what we are going to move, okay, over here, it's very obvious we are into the bull zone, and this bull zone we are actually also moving towards the bullish market. So Pao Kiwi is to buy, not good to sell. No for selling. Okay, all right, straightforward. Okay, so where are we going to start buying over in this Pao Kiwi? Let's wait for the retracement and the new support build up, then we will start to buy. Okay, all right, that's for buyers. 好了，棒牛的话，要做多的朋友可以关注了哈，在牛市里面还在奔跑着的牛，现在在段里面，它还是在这个阶段。还是很猛啊，很强，很强啊，很强还是很猛啊？我要讲什么？我到底要讲什么？OK， 当它回来，等它回调，支撑一出现，才开始做多。OK， 这是做多的朋友啊，你们可以关注一下。OK， 所以现在 Let's take a look. Back to English with pound dollar. Let's take a look in pound dollar. Pound dollar, we are still in the bear, while testing we are also challenging the support level. Challenging the support level, that's what I meant by this, challenging the support level. Yesterday, it was quite good, and we have a good chance from the resistance, challenge the support, and finally, it comes back again. Oh my god, it feels. Alright, so anyway, it feels anyway, and today, it looks like it's going for a retracement. So support tested, and it's not breaking again. And another way is that the support has formed up above the support level. Okay, form above the support level. So buying and the retracement is coming very soon. So sellers, stay away because it may go up and meet the resistance, then we'll start to sell back again. Okay, so wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it. All right. Okay, so tentatively, by looking at this, I think this is still very interesting. Okay, in Forex trading, there will be times that it meet a support, although it's in a bear, but it will have a retracement stage, and ending of the retracement into the transition and back to the prevailing trend. Okay, so we are in the beginning of the retracement. So stay away. Buyers can take short-term profit. Okay, short-term, really short-term, about less than 20 pips only. So really have to stay put. Okay. If buyers, you want to take some benefits from here, okay, let's say in this video, okay, I'm going to say this is a buy, you want to take buy in pound dollar, I would say yes, you can. However, you have only 20 pips of space, work within the 20 pips of space, all right, and grab a short-term profit and leave the market. Then after that, when it started to coming to this resistance, if it's not breaking, that means it's a sign that the retracement has ended, and it will come into the stage of transition and going back to the bear trend, then we start to sell again and you got a double. Alright, okay, so 来棒美的话，今天是在熊市，但是是在支撑位置上。支撑位置上的话，回调的这个可能性很大。在这里的话呢，这样看，外汇都有这样的一个阶段嘛，回调结束，转换才回到熊市。所以呢，现在是刚开始的回调。所以做多的朋友还可以在20个点的范围里面拿一些短暂盈利，但是不要拿太多哈。等到它不突破的情况下回调，然后呢，在这一段里面，我们才开始进入了一个阶段，叫做转换，回到熊市才开始做交易，这样的话就更容易了。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so back to English with dollar CAD. Alright, dollar CAD. Obvious. Bull run, okay, bull run. Yesterday we were talking about bull run, but again, yesterday we were talking about we have about this number of pips to go. It hits and comes back again over here. Alright, So it hits on the resistance and it comes back. Coming back over here. Is it coming back to the bear market now? No, not yet. It is still in the bull. Alright, it's still in the bull. This is called a retracement in the bull market. It's a retracement in the bull market. So today, I believe dollar is going to go in strong again. That it will start to push again. Okay, to try to break the resistance level. So this part here, please be tactful. Even you see a selling, okay, if you see a selling, alright, you must know this selling is a retracement in the bull. If you're looking at the bigger time frame over here, this is a bull market. And this part here, yesterday, the red candle with an upper shadow, go wick on top, it's just rejections at that point because it meet the resistance over here. So at this time, you must read this chart as retracement in the bull. So it's a short term, it's a very short term profit taking session. So take and go, alright, before the bull comes in again and turn the table around. Alright, so today we are still going for a buy. This is still only a retracement. So let's wait for the retracement thing, okay, which is about here. It's already ended. So buying with the support is coming and now it's going another round. Alright, so hopefully, okay, buyers, you can grab some profit from dollar CAD through my video. Alright. OK， 每家的话只能做多不能做空了哈，所以现在呢，我们这一看它是在牛市，有这根蜡烛，昨天的这一根则是回调，它遇到之前的压力，它回调嘛，所以呢，今天又来了，已经开始支撑，已经开始来了，所以支撑开始来的话呢，要做多的可能性很高很高。OK，all right。So now let's move into dollar franc. Dollar franc. Wow, today we don't really have a lot of selling here. Okay, dollar franc. Well, it's moving towards the bear zone over here, which I plotted. Where this bear zone is kind of a strong resistance that it will start to sell any point of time. So at this moment, buyers and sellers, you have to stay away. Stay away. Okay, why? Eric, why? Can you tell me why is it to stay away? Is because if you are going for a buy, you are buying at the resistance level, which is not correct. If you are at the resistance level, you must know you should sell. But now we are in the bear in the bear zone, but we are still in the bull market. So they are trying to break the bear zone. So tentatively, not enough space for you to do any buying. Sellers, is there any chance for you to sell? Any sign that you can selling? No. So just stay away. Alright. OK， 美瑞的话，做多的朋友，你已经要在这个熊市转换站了，要转换了。所以呢，在这里要开始转换的话，千万不要再做单子了哈，因为你没有空间做多了。做空的朋友，哎，没空间做多，我可以做空的，对不对？哎，不是这样说哈，因为你也是要看到它的这个现象有转换做空的现象才可以啊。可是你现在没有看到的话，可以吗？其实是不可以的嘛，是不是？所以美瑞跳过，好不好 ？OK， 乖乖了哈。OK，Roger。OK，Hi Jenna， 你好，好久不见了哈。OK，Alright， so over here。Dollar yen. Initially, it was here, and I was very happy that it actually going for a bear. So over here, from this part here, we started, and okay, support comes in, and forget about it, it goes up again. So buyers was pretty good with dollar yen buying. Okay, I know I received a lot of messages in inbox that dollar yen is still buying, and you make a lot of profits. It's good. Alright, I'm happy to hear that. So today, can we start selling? No, we cannot start selling again. Because why? Why is it that we can't sell today since it reaches the peak? Is this the peak? There's no peak. There's no bottom. Okay, in forex trading. So you have to understand in every price there's a situation there. So you got to understand the situation before you start trading. So tentatively by moving up this way, okay, it's still showing that the bullish market is still there. So this is also a retracement, okay? Forming up a retracement, and it's also not easy for us to identify whether it is going back into the bear zone, then we start selling. So whatever profits you're taking from selling over here is actually a retracement, okay? So make sure you understand this part before you go into the state of confusion. Alright guys, this is nice to see everybody here, and I'm a full-time trader. That's why I also have to do this myself, okay, in order to allow me to have a clearer picture, directions, where am I going to trade. Okay, So now I have come to the end of this, and then let me sum this up. Okay, sum my peaks over here. All right, so what we are going to focus is selling over here. We only have Aussie dollar, pound Aussie, and pound yen. The rest have to wait for a little while. Okay, so let's wait, be patient 啊，要有耐性等待其他的来临。Okay, alright. So I wish everybody that can give me some support by clicking a like and subscribe, and also finally ring up the bell for me. Alright, so that I will be motivated by you and be coming back here again tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys, remember tonight GMT plus 20:00 hours. Okay, 20:00 hours, I will still be back here. Okay, to have a live trading explanation about the live chart that will last 2 hours. Okay, so remember to click on the subscribe button, ring up the bell, so that when I go live tonight, you will get a notification without any delays, and you will get yourself in punctually. Okay, good luck in your trading today. Get more profits and share with me tonight. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you tomorrow again. See you.